Allison. I'm the Programs Outreach and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. And if you're anything like me, you need a cup of coffee or something caffeinated to get you going in the morning. And you might have seen a particular coffee drink floating around social media. Here at MCFL, we want to make sure you stay on top of all the quarantine trends. And while I don't have any experience making coffee drinks, my boyfriend Steve has multiple years of experience working for coffee companies. So today I roped him in to show you how to make this social media sensation.
Hi everybody, I'm Steve. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Dalgona coffee. This whipped coffee has become super popular all over the internet lately. It has origins in Pakistan, India, and Macau. And in January, a Korean actor brought it back and named it Dalgona coffee after a traditional Korean honeycomb candy of the same name. For this recipe today, we're going to be using a mixer. If you don't have a mixer at home, you can do this by hand with a whisk, but just know that it is going to take a little longer. Our ingredients for our coffee today are going to be an instant espresso. We have hot boiling water, cane sugar, and in the back we have our milk, just for our latte base. So Dalgona coffee is made pretty easily by adding these three ingredients in equal parts. So we're going to start with our dry ingredients, adding 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of our sugar. And 2 tablespoons of our hot water. So now that everything is in our bowl, it's time to mix. We realized that the KitchenAid mixer that we're using is much too large. The whisk attachment doesn't reach the bottom of the bowl. So we're going to be using a hand mixer for the rest of the video. You should be using one anyways, and I didn't know that we had one, but Alison told me that we do. So let's do that instead. After a few minutes of mixing, we have a really nice coffee fluff that's been made. It should have the consistency of a marshmallow fluff, and we can add it right to our milk to make our latte drinks. You can make these drinks either iced or hot, and you can use whatever milk you'd like. Today we're using oat milk. And now we just add this directly to our drinks. Now the final step is to stir and enjoy.
Personally, I think the final step is taking your drink somewhere nice to enjoy it. I hope that you enjoyed our video and that it'll help you get your caffeine fix during our shelter in place.